Hello students, welcome to computer class. We have started spreadsheet chapter before IAs. We have covered our topics subtotal and consolidate. Now we are going to start our topic what if scenario. Now, what is what if scenario? This scenario is a tool to test what if questions. In this, it means what happens or what its effect on an output if we changes values of an input. In this, we can create different scenarios. Each scenario is named and can be edited and saved separately. Let's see practical example. For example, if we have an principal amount 2 lakh, rate of interest 10 and time period 2 years, then we can calculate profit by simple interest by applying formula P into rate of interest into time period divided by 100. Our simple interest is 40,000. Now, why we use what if scenario? Basically, it is used if we want to calculate effects of different investment on the profit, that is simple interest, and quickly view the result by creating different scenarios. For example, I want to see effects of different investments, like I am taking 3 lakh and 4 lakh. I want to see effects of these investments on the simple interest. For this, I am creating the scenarios. For creating scenario, firstly select these cells which we want to change. Then select these cells for which we want to create the scenario. Go to tools, then select scenario. Scenario dialog box will open. Give the name of the scenario. For example, I am giving simple interest 1. You can also comment. Here are few settings. We can change the settings also. In this, optionally you can select or deselect the options. First one is display border. It is used to place the border around the range of cells. In the right hand side, in this you can also choose the color of the border. For example, I am choosing color yellow. Next is copy back. This option is used to copy the values of cells that you make changes into active scenario. If you don't select this option, the saved scenario values are never changed when you make any changes. And next one is prevent changes. We can apply prevent changes only if our sheet is protected. If we select this, then scenario cell values cannot be changed. Is it clear? Then press OK. See, our first scenario is created. Now, similarly, if we want to create another scenario with an investment of 3 lakh, then simply select these options. Go to tools, choose scenario, then give the name of the scenario. I am giving simple interest 2. You can also change the setting. I am changing color of the border magenta. Then press OK. See, do the changes. Now see, our first scenario, if we have principal amount 2 lakh, then we can earn profit 40,000. And in our second scenario, simple interest 4, If we have principal amount 3 lakh, then we can earn simple interest 60,000. We can repeat this by creating another scenario. Go to tools, then scenario, give the name. I am giving name simple interest 5. Change the border color. I am changing gray color. Then press OK. Then make the changes. I want principal amount 4 lakh. Now see, we have created 3 scenarios: simple interest 1 with principal amount 2 lakh, simple interest 4 with principal amount 3 lakh, simple interest 5 with principal amount 4 lakh. Similarly, you can create different more scenarios if you want to create. This is what if scenario.